Right now, I am sitting at the memorial for Ron Swartzendruber at Western Oregon University. Ron was a great person. He worked for me for 21 years as a programmer, and he died suddenly of a massive heart attack one evening. I wanted to build this memorial for Ron because of his 21 years of service, his dedication. He was well liked by everyone across campus, always willing to pitch in and help wherever needed. Just an overall great guy. Phase one of the project was getting the site ready. We went down about a foot, excavated the dirt, and then filled that with 3/4 minus rock. Facilities did that for us, and they compacted it for about an hour. And then in phase two, we had the pavers ready, and we had a pile of sand, and we would lay down an 1/8 to 1/4 inch of sand to level those pavers. And we had a laser light that we would use to make sure all the pavers are at the same level. And each of those pavers weighs about 90 pounds. Not an easy job. Moving on to phase three, we began laying the bricks, and that's really a fun part. You know you're getting somewhere when you've got all the pavers down and then you're laying out those bricks. And you want to lay those bricks in an order. You have different lengths. You have 100, 200, 300, and 400 millimeter bricks. And you lay them in an order such that you have a nice look. When I first interviewed Ron, I discovered he had just graduated with a degree in computer science on the East Coast. And so him and 3 of his buddies decided to ride their bicycles to the Pacific Ocean. The bike that you see behind me in the memorial says Ron. That bicycle was a part of Ron. He would ride it to work. He had ridden it across the country. It tells us who Ron is. This memorial to Ron would not have happened without Western Interlock's support. I had worked with Ray previously, and I went to him, I told him Ron's story, and Ray said, yes, we're willing to provide you materials for Ron's memorial. This space is dedicated to Ron Swartzendruber, 1971 to 2020. Ron was an integral part of University Computing Solutions and Western Oregon University for 21 years, faithfully and expertly maintaining our university web servers. Ron's vast knowledge put him at the center of projects encompassing the whole department. A generous mentor and team player, he fostered a collaborative culture within UCS and was admired and loved by all. Ron rode this bicycle from the Atlantic to the Pacific coast, donated by his wife Whitney and transformed into a sculpture by Oregon artist Tamara Greider. It perpetuates Ron's spirit of energy and endurance. The Stone Plaza was generously donated by Western Interlock and constructed by members of the UCS team. September 2021.